Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice maker in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Lift the ice bucket up in the front and pull it out. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help pry the module cover off. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, fully unthread the lower screws securing the ice maker. Loosen the 2 upper screws. Lift the old ice maker off of the screws, then disconnect the wire connector. Prepare the new ice maker for installation by transferring the lower mounting bracket from the old ice maker to the new one. You will need to transfer the wire harness as well, along with the ice level arm. Returning to the freezer, connect the wire connector and mount the ice maker on the upper screws. Tighten the screws. Thread and tighten the lower screw. Snap on the module cover. Reinstall the ice bucket. If the bucket doesn't slide all the way in, you can rotate the auger to allow the bucket to be fully seated. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.